Hello and welcome to Speak, Nora.
Learn English with real conversations.
I'm Nora.
And I'm Ethan.
Today we are talking about your hometown.
Your memories, your place, your story.
Let's begin. Ethan, I think everyone has a special connection with their hometown. It is the place where we grow up, where we go to school, and where we make our first friends. When I think about my hometown, I feel comfortable and peaceful. It may not be the most famous place in the world, but for me, it is very important because it is part of who I am.
I completely understand that feeling. My hometown is a big city, and it is always busy and full of life. There are many cars, many people, and many things happening every day. Sometimes it feels noisy, but it also feels exciting. Living in a busy city teaches you how to be active and independent. Even though it is crowded, it still feels like home to me.
My hometown is smaller and quieter. One thing I really love is that people are very friendly. When you walk in the street, people smile and say hello. Sometimes you stop and talk for a few minutes. This makes the environment warm and welcoming. It feels like everyone is connected.
That is something special. In big cities, people are friendly too, but they are often in a hurry. Everyone is busy with their work and responsibilities. However, there are many opportunities in big cities. You can find good jobs, good schools, and many places to visit.
Another thing I love about my hometown is the natural beauty. There are trees, parks, and open spaces. In the evening, many people go outside for a walk. Children play, families spend time together, and the air feels fresh. These small moments make life enjoyable.
That sounds very relaxing. In my hometown, there are also parks, but there are more buildings and roads. Still, I enjoy walking in the city, especially at night when the lights are on. The city looks beautiful and alive.
Weather is also an important part of my hometown. The weather is usually calm and pleasant. Summers are warm and winters are cool. I enjoy sitting outside and enjoying the fresh air. Weather affects our mood, and good weather makes people happier.
Yes, weather plays a big role. In my city, the weather changes often. Sometimes it rains and sometimes it is sunny. Rainy days make the city look different. Some people enjoy rain and some people do not, but it is always interesting.
My hometown also has local markets. These markets are full of life. People buy food, clothes, and many other things. I like visiting these markets because they show the culture of the place. You can see how people live and interact.
That is true. Markets are the heart of any city. In my hometown, there are also large shopping centers. People go there not only for shopping but also for entertainment. They eat food, watch movies, and spend time with friends.
When I talk about my hometown, I also remember my childhood. I remember my school, my friends, and my daily routine. These memories are very valuable to me. They make me smile.
Childhood memories are very powerful. They remind us of simple and happy times. Even when we grow up and move to new places, our hometown stays in our heart.
Sometimes people leave their hometown to study or work in another city. This can be exciting, but they still miss their hometown. They miss their family, their friends, and their familiar places.
Yes, that is very true. No matter where you go, your hometown always feels special. It is the place where your journey begins.
Listeners, talking about your hometown is a great way to practice English. You can use simple sentences. For example, you can say, my hometown is small, my hometown is beautiful, my hometown is busy.
You can also talk about people. You can say, people are friendly, people are kind, people are helpful, These sentences are easy but very useful.
You can describe places too. For example, there are parks, there are markets, there are schools. These sentences help you explain your hometown.
And you can share your feelings. You can say, I love my hometown. I miss my hometown. I feel happy in my hometown.
Practice these sentences every day. Slowly, you will feel more confident. Speaking English becomes easier when you talk about your real life.
Yes, real life English is the best English. You don't need difficult words. Simple words are enough.
Thank you for listening to Speak, Nora.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation
Keep practicing every day.
and keep improving step by step.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.